Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the base and the perpendicular height. First, determine the base shape, triangle, rectangle, or polygon, because that tells you which area formula to use. Next, measure or calculate the base area a b. For triangle, use 1/2 times base times height. For a rectangle, use length times width. Then, ensure the prism height h is perpendicular to the base. If the prism is oblique, find the perpendicular distance. Once done, you're ready to plug values into the volume formula. Now compute the base area precisely. If the base is a standard shape, apply its formula. Triangle equals 1/2 times base times height, rectangle equals length times width. For irregular bases, decompose into triangles and rectangles, calculate each area, then add them. Make sure all measurements are in the same units. Convert centimeters to meters if needed before summing. Once you have a b, recheck values and round only at the end, so you avoid accumulated error when moving to the. Finally, multiply the base area a b by the perpendicular height h to get volume v equals a b times h. You must keep units consistent so your result is in cubic units, meters cubed or centimeters cubed. After computing, round the final number sensibly and label units. If the number seems off, recheck the perpendicular measurement and any unit conversions. Misreading an oblique height or mixing cm with m is the most common mistake. Make corrections, then state the final volume with units.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.